Pacho frauden.
Você the poet.
Pacho in the expect abezo.
We expect us for more.
Pacho I mean sure. Pacho frauden.
Your friend beat players.
Pacho to then.
Chamuye.
Pacho in the expect abezo.
One vote man.
Pacho I mean sure. Pacho frauden. Inshraba. Pacho to then.
Pacho ye.
Pacho in the expect abezo.
Pacho my expert today. Mo yi obia film no bia nye vote fine.
That's I mean sure. Pacho frauden.
My name is Wasi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What should we expect from you?
She expects good things from me.
You. Pacho fraud.
Angel baby.
Pacho to then.
Muye.
Pacho ne expect abezo.
I expect for all that. Momo biara film no biara nye vote.
Pacho does. Pacho fraud.
Baby Gabo.
Pacho to then.
Boko.
Pacho ne expect abezo.
Expect today. Mama wa yimi film na nkofun vote me.
Pacho I mean sure. Pacho fraud.
Pacho from Kali Arts.
Pacho to then.
Boko.
Pacho ne expect abezo.
Ma bon pay there wobe wali yimi film. Only you be
Pacho I mean sure.
From Sarah.
Pacho to then.
Yamina Dumo.
Pacho one ever supporting.
Baby Gabo.
Pacho baby Gabo ne fans wahana. Pacho to then.
But Yamia Dumo,
Pacho baba support wana.
Beat Breakers.
Pacho I mean sure.
Wonderful. I'm expecting a great variety of talents, singing, some dancing. We'll see what happens today. And good luck to everyone.
Okay, thank you. Hello, fraud.
They call me Emmanuel Blessing.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Who are you coming to support?
Wasi.
Okay, what's in the fans wahana? Pacho fraud.
Pacho our friend Joanna.
Pacho baba support wana.
Pacho member support Wasi.
What's in the fans wahana?
Yo, ne fans waha.
Pacho fraud.
We're from S.
Pacho baba support wana.
Baby Dabu.
Baby Gabo no fans wahana. Pacho fraud.
Mildred.
Pacho baba support wana.
Baby Gabo.
Pacho fraud.
From Madame Gloria.
Pacho to then.
Uncle Pornado.
Pacho baba support wana.
Angel baby.
Pacho angel baby no fans wahana. Pacho to then.
Boko.
Pacho fraud.
Blessing.
Pacho baba support wana.
Wasi.
What's in the fans wahana? Pacho fraud.
From Dr. Siamobin.
Pacho baba support wana.
Stibo.
Tivo at no fans wahana.
Ah.
I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why or how can he? From infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still sitting, whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he battles out or he shits his bowels out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole universe. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Just letting you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been doing the same moves and shit. shit and cut the crap. I shouldn't have to rhyme these words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, fuck your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped. And to the fans, I never let you down again, I'm back. It was my decision to get clean, I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you, so I could come back a brand new me. You helped see me through, and don't even realize what you did. Believe me, I've been through the ringer, but they can do little to the middle finger. I think I got a tear in my eye. I feel like
blame it on the drum, got you in the zone. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the She says she usually don't, but I know that she front. Cause shorty know what she want, but she don't want to seem like she easy. I hear you saying what you won't do, but you know we're probably gon' do what you've been feeling deep inside. Don't let it out now. Girl, what you drinking? Gon' let it sink in. If you're weekend thinking we can see what we can be if we press fast forward. Just walk around and get down out the door. Another cup of feeling in your blood. What you don't even care. I was unaware how fine you was before my bus set in. My bus set in. Blame it on the blues, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the drum, got you in the zone. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the vodka, blame it on the Henny, blame it on the blue tap, got you feeling dizzy. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the
blame it on the Henny, blame it on the blue. 5 shots make the girls get true. Ain't got Henny, you gotta have Remy, make the girl get freaky in the Betty. Holla Poppy Chulo, shawty, yeah, you know. Find me at the bar, popping a bottle of Nouveau. Sex on the beach, up reach that peak. But some lime in that gin, her before right asleep. Pina colada.
Wow, what an amazing audience. Mona Baba Gifted Crafted Kids Show, GCK Show Season 6. Maka GCK Show, and what I'm doing here, Adam Acheze. GCK Show. GCK show yamba frama jumeza yasha mamba frama was the one Adam Acheze easy. Maka GCK show na wajem do here Adam Acheze. GCK show. In the jumezin you move 2 parts. In the end team a variety. Number from and will perform it 2 times. Into your ajana. Pocho much am who about my buyers the jumezin the best shadow.
I will change your name to my name, and that will be your game. You about to play the game and put the enemy to shame. Your life will never be the same. My love for you to do the same. I'm not afraid to give you my heart. DJ, and my life. And I will be my wife. Once they do what I like. I love the king of fight. Amazing, great in the night.
GCK show. Baby, I idea, but then sponsors I say. Yes, I said that customer Becky K restaurants, Nally's Juicery, Torchlight Stores, The Havens Workspace and Coffee Bar, Continental Souvenirs, Balquet Techniques, and a Justina Efo Hammond Foundation. Yabada collaborators so I say Ogwa Traditional Council, Ghana Education Service, University of Ghana Learning Center, added one when you as Workers College, Ghana Monument and Museum Board. GTA's December in Ghana initiative, dubbed the Black Star Experience, and any media partners, TW Radio and a Coastal TV. And the yana judges are what's not see our judge in show near Dr. Tracy Russell. A round of applause for Dr. Tracy Russell. And our anchor to Pachim Winsome Kasama anchor to. Pachayin in Iron Soya, but to Yana Ghana National Anthem. Pacho, kindly take your seats. Pacho, book for quick commercial break. Yeah, by the show but you.
Quiet. All my niggas grind, wavy, jamming. All my niggas 7, wavy, quiet. Coffee boo, yeah.
trendybeats.com.
GCK show. You're the first contestant. I'll be show nano. Or you'll be yourself. Listen is the baby gabo. But you're some for me and baby gabo.
Come on.
Baby, unanipenda Amanda.
Come
I
on.
could be a forever Wakanda. Wait, is she from Kenya or Uganda? Oh, you met her in Kigali, Rwanda. Hey. Nalia. Oh. Nalia. Nalia. Oh. Nalia. So tell me why in the middle of the night your phone is ringy, 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 rangarai. Tell me why she doesn't know you have a wife. You're tryna dingy, 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 dangadai. Baby, I got one question for you. One question. Who the hell is Amanda? Who is Amanda? Who the hell is Amanda? Who is Amanda? Woo!
If I'm meeting me for gonna baby, I know, you know, that you for meeting me for that.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
But spoon some holding so she's not my desk. Somebody steal my baby. You know make I carry your love. Think some mama go back up or no. Oh my days. I never want to share my girl. You know make I carry your love. You never me say love, say love. Them don't carry my somebody or somebody. My body they pay me. Oh my God, God, God. Them don't carry my somebody or somebody. My body they pay me.
Come on.
GCK show. Judges, please, your comments.
Baby Gabo, how are you? You did so well. I love every step that you made on the stage. You make it your own, right? Dress and also your fit. My only
Thank
issue
you.
is that Oscar to know how kakra. You wish there can be too much toward legs, left, right, everywhere. But know how kakra. Until next time. Say that by stage, if you rehearsal, you use it and see. Then you can change it. So when you come on stage, you feel free and do whatever you want to do. But you did so well, okay? Keep it on. Well done.
Baby Gabo, please, you can go backstage. Next on stage, we have a dancer. She goes by the name Shining Star. But you for someone, she's a Shining Star.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
What you know about me? E-G-L-O-N-G-L-E. Beat the 1,000 new Chanel, chop it, spree it. Pop out, you know I care.
Zinabu, you know say my sending me kunedu. I really want make you be mine boo. Who percent me too bad I can do. Zinabu, you know say my sending me kunedu. I really want make you be mine boo. Who percent me too bad I can do. Zinabu, 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 Zinabu,
Okay. What's up? Let's go. Me no fi control myself, search for your back. Come roll it again. Me want take you to the inna me bedroom. Never party again. The way you roll it better. Me want come close to your bumper. Me want to enter the center. Me want come guide you like longer. Tinini, no, tinini. Sexy, I beg you, they killing me. It can show about tinini. No, tinini. Tinini, no, tinini. Tinini, no, tinini. Tinini, no, tinini. Bounce your bum, bounce your bum. Everybody come and bounce your bum. Do you really wanna bounce?
Shut the wall up, super scary. Me fight like Mike Tyson. Me dance like Michael Jackson. Me kill a lion like Samson. Speed them up like Ben Johnson. Me rule them like Jerry John Rawlington. Because me not take no nonsense. Me love pretty girl like Yvonne Nelson. Drop it's like Sammy Forcing. Like a Superman Nelson, yeah me like boxing. We doing this song we never passing. When we are raised nobody cross me. Big up all of me bosses. That's why everybody like my thing. Like my thing, like my thing. See say everybody like my thing. Like my thing, like my thing. Everybody like my thing. Like my thing, like my thing. See say everybody like my thing. Like my thing.
Judges, please comment.
Shining Star, I enjoyed it. I liked your good energy from beginning to end and your musical selection. I'm still looking for someone who will use the whole stage. Maybe that will be you next week. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next on stage, we have a poet. She goes by the name Fosia the Poet. For someone, she has Fosia the Poet.
Mama wan adwo impanyinfo na mu ne anum ehyem wa ha wajema henewa awon sama mu beken watu ne zin mama me no ho ye fel araye osumbu person sikanfutu dan chambo na za okaka ho aya mama me na onyinsan mbosomonko na ochim no wom mama me oya owune eya matrefo owune esomu mu na etwem mespa wonanto tata tutu ano na ezetrem nanto oya mama me no ozumu ko school na oya onunti na indemigina he sama mama awoma anche indemingina ha impeyifo se sa wonawa na we busia asa inti sama mama tasinda ma wenwan son na mo onsumbo wa brabom my mother more precious than gold, diamond and other ornaments. My mother, my teacher, my guide, my light, my way, my end. Without you, I would not know what I would do. My mother, if you are here today, I want you to know that I cherish you and I will always cherish you. Thank you.
A round of applause for Fosia the poet.
Sweet mother. Yes, for sure.
Yes, sir.
Pacho, poor I'm wild Troya.
Pacheno.
I've been papa.
Thank you.
And you know that you better do a kg. Ata. Yamin shell.
Thank you.
For sure, I hope I'm right there. Now I don't cry, man. Oh, you're so interesting there. And now you look at the environment. Brofu wom, fancy woman. Then you know, so no one wants to. No, you're brofu, fancy. Ata. I had a pa, Michelle, keep on doing that. Now, my Michelle, and then the new abeje, I can sub, okay? Well done, well done.
You can go backstage. Next on stage, we have two dancers who have come together to form a team. They go by the name Beat Breakers. But for someone, Beat Breakers. GCK show.
Beat Breakers. What you do that? Beat Breakers. I say, okay, beat breakers. I want you to do. When you do, why as a papa? Pasha, I saw your friend then.
But your friend Bobo.
Bo. One month a month. Why as a papa?
Thank you.
Now I don't go show your phone. That was the way I was so. But you know, super yes so.
Thank
and we keep on following you. Walk on left and anywhere you wait. Over right and anywhere that you want more effect. And you keep on improving and improving every now and then, and I love it. Okay, keep on shining. Well done.
Beat breakers, please. You can go back. Next on stage, we have a poet. She goes by the name Inshiraba. But she ain't for someone she are Inshiraba.
Munyanum na mempanyinfo a wɔahyia wɔ ade mekyiakyia wɔn no meja so wɔgyema abro enda so mari nsɛm ya amerebekin maatu ne zin yɛbɛda na agya onia nti sɛ ɛwɔ sika mma nsuru ohiani na sika so yɛbɛda na agya nti sɛ ɛwɔ agya paza mma nsuru wɔyankɔ a onni bi na agya padu so yɛbɛda na agya awu enya mbawa ọha mpo na wunye iniska ọzụbafa mbawa na kada mbawa no so yebede ni eja se ehu yarofo a ma inze no patechre na yaroba so yebede ni eja iwiazi mu bibiara enyiwa yezugbo kowu iwiazi mu aji bibia agba kaide elukowa emfa bibiara emfa nkosa manazi madahwanasi.
A round of applause for Inshiraba. Let's hear from our judges.
Inshiraba ayaze macho poem wangasa troya mento
Pachenyo
I've papa one shot so all right poem no is so inspirational or inspire a futu a very dedicated some baby woman oh the new epu obi je chinata be fi de panyi bi na wa shada wa atena ase only my baba mu nsam na wa tro happen pa nyame shall na mbom a message the day aya a recite poem na aya so when you are with all seriousness I love that but there's so shine so you know aje etema yes I will be able to follow you into aya so ata aya zembo well done.
Inshallah, please you can go backstage. GCK show. Minto, GCK show. Next on stage, we have a dancer. She goes by the name Wasi. But she for someone she a Wasi.
Oh, beautiful girl, you know you make me feel so happy. Your body make a day go red. Skin tight and I know you don't know how much you mean to me. Yeah. Your body make a day go mad. Baby, you for me to me for connect. I know, you know that you for me to me for side. Oh, baby, you for me to me for connect. I know, you know that you for me to me for side.
La love the baby, la love the sweet and the passasana. And I cannot deny it. All of my love for you. I can never want you. I cannot deny it. All of my love for you. I can never want you. The things where I go do for love. Follow things where I go do for love.
but I want more of you. Things where you do me, girl, you drive me loco. Baby, you don't do me, you will love you, treat me better. When I'm cold, when China better. You say when China better. Baby, don't do me well. When I draw my love to flow, when your river overflow, flow. Baby, don't do me well. When I draw my love to flow, when your river overflow, flow. When I'm cold, you be my heater. Girl, come be my healer. My when I'm cold, you be my heater. Girl, come be my heater. If you give me what I want, then you can tell me by first. And if you give me, I talk. I wanna make you my own. If you give me what I want, if you give me what I want, if you give me, I will take you by force. I wanna make you my own. Teresa, got the key to your heart with no visa. Fly you out to Soweto for dinner. Girl, you know I'm ready for that teaser. Oh, all on me. Oh my God, what she do to me? I go crazy when she touching me. I go crazy when she touching me. When she's lonely, when that boy comes, she gon' leave me. She gon' leave me. Want to keep it on the low.
DJ Peter.
A round of applause for Wasi.
Wasi, I love your confidence. You have great fan or audience participation. I'm trusting and believing that will translate to votes. And I love your musical selection. Well done.
Wasi, please, you can go backstage. Our last contestant for this round, she's a dancer. She goes by the name Angel Baby. Patchen for someone share Angel Baby.
Mr. Harry. Kayo basi kwaso, wazela mame na mabrabo kwaso. Sika semti mabedi ubi maso. Ahuchenti mefuru nyame kwaso. Washwe kanti mitumi na mempaso. Eradi bie kwa bi mami una memfaso. Ubika so bebu wa mi unanso. Miku ni fie mani bisa me kwaso. Ebo mama ni okase yu nanso. Meko fani eme bisa yu kwaso. Mede bano kana bishi ya guwa kwaso. Michelle, baby, I'm a siegum. You walk on the peppermint luce. I ain't you don't see me tenno, me tenno.
Yeah, God, silly. And I will be silly. Maybe women who pay and a bear.
Ladies, attention. Set your punani. Insta for the Grammy. Do the punani dance.
If you get a woman, hold on tight, oh. Me and my guys, we take for bike, oh. Now her location, take for mine, oh. If you leave a woman, she go off kind, oh.
Danny Bear Boti, some Kuni Bear Bopa, Danny Bear Boti, some Kuni Bear Bopa, come on, I'm a Maya to Pelele, Shamanim, Sumim, Femanu, no, Tunia.
Anyamania, and I'm at Wabudomia, falling for you, Anyamania. Why am I to say, why would be a man, and no me peno?
Bubble up, tell me how you want it. Turn it up. Hold up, tell me how you want it. Otro beso mi mu, na mi bubu mi mu, mani ko mu, mani shiobi.
You make it so bright.
A round of applause for Angel Baby.
Angel Baby. Angel, I say, we enjoyed you, okay? Everything you did on stage, all your fair. Yes, we were able to flow with you and we were able to communicate, all right? My only issue is that Sawari Bonyum na I am meant to be. Ewa. Sawari Bonyum Eresau. Wait here. Now, it's a new no na I to you bia. Sometimes you may lose focus. Ewa asana sheshe the choreography, movement, ebia 2 legs okoha, I mean 1 leg right okoha 2, left obaha 2. If you be win a trip refi. Ewa. Na pause it doesn't flow. It mess so now so okay, and look at the audience. Okay, you did well. Well done.
Thank you.
GCK show. See, yes, a round 1 na baby. On Chebia, yes, the second round no super shadow. Yes, the Asadaka Sebama and sponsors. Becky K Restaurants, Nally's Juicery, Touchlight Stores, Justina Effa Hammond Foundation, The Havens Workspace and Coffee Bar, Continental Souvenirs, and Balcast Techniques, Yeni Media Partners, Coastal TV, and TW Radio. Yabafoko, short commercial break. Yaba is the Jumezin Botiod. GCK show. And there your guest performer, Obasawa Man. Oh no, we need GCK show season 6. Our friend Reginator Bless Lord. It's impartial, anticipate the performance. You better get sponsors, I say. Becky K Restaurants, Nally's Juicery, The Havens Workspace and Coffee Bar, Continental Souvenirs, Justina Hammond Foundation, and a Balque. Yeni Media Partners, Coastal TV, and a TW Radio. Yeni collaborators, Ogwa Traditional Council, Ghana Education Service, University of Ghana Learning Center, Ghana Monuments and Museum Board, GTA's December in Ghana Initiative. GCK Show. Mpachayama hanyezi. Yaba wanenkai de enda ye eviction and the obibo kofi. Inti yawa heyana ye vote ama yen favorite contestants. Second part of the show nen ye bocha yen wan ba yaba yes botuyodo. GCK Show.
DJ Peter.
Mantu, GCK Show. You're the first contestant for this second round. She's a dancer. She goes by the name Shining Star. But she a Shining Star.
Ladies and gentlemen, you ready?
Let go. Huh? Update. It is crazy. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, Obede, number one, I'm the best MC from the ghetto, C9, cemetery, don't test me, no size, punchlines.
I said it done and you look. Daddy wait, fang. I said it done and you look. A man fang man stand. I said it done and you look. Daddy wait, fang. I said it done and you look. A man fang man stand. I go base with a base. I celebrate that late. No salad. Cough salad on slate. I go base with a base. I celebrate that late. No salad. Cough salad on slate. Girl, you know you make me feel so happy. Your body make a day go ahead all day. Skin tight and I know you don't know how much you mean to me. Yeah. Your body make a day go mad. Baby, you for me to me for connect. I know, you know that you for me to me for side. Oh baby, you for me to me for connect. I know, you know that you for me to me for side. Baby, you for me to me for connect. I know, you know that you for me to me for side. Oh baby.
A round of applause for Shining Star. Let's hear from our judges.
Shining Star,
Yes,
you did so well.
thank you.
You were full of energy and you made the stage your own. I love it.
Thank you.
But my only issue is that what's on the baby a pause and our own flow. Me nim say ebi another trend and drama or babechra and I drink on next movement atasa. Tell moon flow not share not so and she and so atasa. Yeah, Baba Jodo, okay? You did well. Well done.
GCK show. Next on stage, we have a poet. He will be a car rinsem. Nizi Fosia the poet. Pachefa someone share Fosia the poet.
Mama and Adjo in painful amunia no way shame waha, Wajama Henoa. I win some mamma beke, what's in the zin Anyam Kofa. Anyam Kofa, Anyam Kofa. Bura manual share wasn't now on trashy. Bura mass what's a one's now on trashy. Nay, ye nim there or better as a fair philby. Ah, at St. Cabia Nayam Fede over fear non-sano. Da Martin K. Wow, yenentem fititete. On cherry mum, Nancy Yahune day, or ye emfe. The bond we share that we don't want to let slip out of our fingers. Ah, this kind of friendship. I wish we could all have one. If you do not have a good friend today, try and get one. Maybe you have your own reasons, but I also have my own reasons for having a good friend. Minya Queen American wasam in day. So our hand punch and annual budget or ha. Ah, you're not church for who they are so abribiara. No one any waje. Damo or day, Mopede or Biara Yanibi, no onya no on so. O sende, say when young kubia, o me when you are jar. Na bribiara no, when you are bedje there, about 1 inch. Inti in there, as some America when you there, one young papa, no on one shower as papa, Madame Honas.
Judges, please your comment.
For sure, the poets. They did well. In fact, I've inspired, and me believe you'll be happy. Also, I've inspired, motivated one way or the other. You did so well, mixing the fancy with the English. Okay, the blend itself was so good. Well done.
Thank you. Fosia, please, you can go backstage. Next on stage, we have a dancer. She goes by the name Baby Gabo. If I ever someone share Baby Gabo.
Oh yeah.
For my bed. Oh, you're sick. I know people sick you for nobody come day my body. Now you just ginger me out of.
Still like Fanta my pepe. Fanta my pepe. The lungu my way. Oh no. Come on. Bad girl, you chill. Money must stay. The lungu my way. Oh no.
If you slow down, I go run go. You be playboy, I be baddie. If you slow down, I go run go. I go never know though. If you slow down, I go run go. You be playboy, I be baddie. If you slow down, I go run go.
Oh yeah.
Man is scary, but I love you, love you. One thing I show you, better loving I show you. On my way to you, on my way, baby. Better loving I show you. Remember what I said.
Oh yeah.
Need to make a wanna do this. Call on me when you need me. I go come through with speed. On my way.
Judges, please your comment.
Baby Gabo, your first performance was one of my favorites from round number 1. And you know, I think you did even better this round. And judging by what I heard behind me, I think they agree. Well done.
Thank you.
Next on stage, we have a poet. She goes by the name Inshiraba. Pacheva Sambonshia Inshiraba.
Morning, I'm not paying far away, shame waha. Me church, no. Major swag my bro. And also my ring semiyam Rubekin. Martinizin Akenkan. What friend me Akenkan? What friend me Akenkan? What friend me Akenkan? Mizanazi Akenkan. Me a reason bo kese. Ah, what baby, madai sooner many say agent in time. Massa de Crata Fabiara Kwan, Nakasa Fabiara see a safi, Mizubay adrenum. Makacha de on my frama, a treacherful, a chich a treacherful. My frama in paying for Namunia and my wish him wahani na dem. Wabakan canum, Dani Nara. Me a puma was a mananto, Namu boy adjunum. Ebete my semia, Nkakan Canada Saina, the chin in Nara, Madam Asi.
GCK show. Judges, please your comments.
Yes, in Shraba. Ayaze, okay, it's a lovely performance. What dress and she affair? I love it. But one sana or Dawahadon. Meaning say, Jema, what are fit and a bogufuma? A bogufum. In a way, not to disturbing your house. Okay? Yes. What poem? The title, I Can, right?
Yes, sir.
I am so motivational. I begin them of Fabo Hanya, which shall be swiftly. I never said a day. And you want to hang in and shall by one or hanging on what's a fancy. Into them, I am first one, or I am a buffalo, so I am buffalo half. Fancy half. I'm going a bad cry. I say, yeah. And next time, when I show her, I ask it.
Thank you. Shawa, please, you can go backstage. Next on stage, we have a team, 2 dancers. They go by the name Beat Breakers. For some Beat Breakers. Show. Judges, please, your comments.
Beat breakers. What a surprise. You took us to India. You brought us back to Ghana. From the costumes to the theme, I loved it all. And you're reminding me of the season 5 winners, the twin judges. Well done. Keep it up.
Beat breakers, please, you can go backstage. Next on stage, we have a dancer. She goes by the name Wasi. In particular, some boy share Wasi.
You know, it's simply amazing, right?
Dance cause blood. I'm gonna beat here, gonna put camp on the beat. Slow one with the crap with the cheese. Killy go car for the street. But the boy them say overseas. What's it the be? But still we they do. That's what then your boy beastie. B2 on the beach, Charlie. I've been a BT. I like the way you do that. Come to good man super. Nation. Worship I'm like. It's B2 baby. Scott the bull like Rupa. I like the way you do that. Baby girl, rub it back. See your front, see your back. Put the fat, me I like that. I know the days I will eat like that, Charlie. Baby girl, rub it back. See your front, see your back. Put the fat, me I like that. I know the days I will eat like that, Charlie. Jollof, watch it. Jollof, watch it. Jollof, watch it. Watch it, oh watch it. Jollof, watch it. Jollof, watch it. Jollof, watch it.
GCK Show. Judges, please, your comments.
Wasu, energy. Hey, I want to Papa. Are you not tired? Wow, that was so awesome. I love your dressing too, okay? From your hair to your toe. You are so energized. You made the stage your own, moving from here to there. And we all enjoyed you. Well done.
Thank you.
Next on stage, we have a dancer. She goes by the name Angel Baby. But somebody share Angel Baby.
Baby, come and be like something. What I know me, you with your body. Come and be like something. What I know me, you with your body. Cause if you're milky for something, not for me.
Judges, please, your comments.
Angel Baby, I've been away for a few weeks, and it's like the last performance and this one, it feels like you found your confidence. I noticed you like singing every word, and you were really feeling it, and it comes across. Well done. We enjoyed it.
Please, you can go backstage. GCK show. GCK show. McKellen there and a eviction. Inti voting is still open for you to vote for your favorite contestants. Maybe I the as the visual arts contestants in the stage. First on stage we have Stevo Arts. Purchasing for someone she has Stevo Arts. Ankato.
Stevo Arts.
Yes, sir.
All right. What do you have in your hand? And that badge in here.
Deforestation.
Deforestation. All right. A badge in here, deforestation. What came into mind?
I am going for you, Chedia.
Go forward to trend you. If I was saying, do I want to go for? I ask it. I'm sure. All right. So I have faith. And I would dry no, I are glaring enough. You have branch here, that why you know trend you are. My only problem is that Undiano, it seems to be hanging in the air. I today, Indiana, when we will too. Now there's something we call baseline. I are drawing be it a car, a human being. You make a line beneath the feet. Watch that the it could be the ground, it could be a table, it could be anything. Atasa. You can do a green grass kakra. And I'm kakra on your plain white. No, actually, in the NC Bibido. Atasa. Aside that you did so well.
Thank you.
Next on stage we have Claire Kelly Arts. Purchasing for someone she are Claire Kelly Arts.
Claire Kelly Arts. All right. What do you have in your hand?
We have drawn a jug, a cup, a book, and an apple.
Oh, a jar, a cup, a book, and an apple.
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's beautiful. I love it. My only problem is with the cup, the yellow, right? It's not so clear. All right. Again, now one thing, the cup is on top of the book. So there must be something, between them, the cup and the book. It could be in the form of a shadow. It could be a baseline. I hope you understand me.
Okay.
Yes. So that will not look as if it's stuck to the book itself. Okay? All right. It's a beautiful piece of work. Well done.
Thank you.
GCK show. So, GCK show. Can we have all our contestants on stage? GCK show. You're a guest performer for in there. Now all your season 6, you're winner. Your friend Reginator Bless Lord. Pochin for some when she a Reginator Bless Lord.
Your love with the beaming, your love with the sweet in me pasasana. Ukwana mi po, ukwana mi do, and I cannot deny it. All of my love for you, I can never want you. I cannot deny it. All of my love for you, I can never want you. Ready, things where I go do for love. Color, things where I go do for love. Crazy things where I go do.
I'm celebrating, oh, oh, you motivating me, ah, all of my guys they know, say, there is no forgetting, no, ah, oh, no, machine, all of my feelings turn up, you it's getting cold inside. Trouble weather, I'm young, all tonight, I know. I can picture this world without you, my life. Oh, baby. Sweet Fanta yellow, I know people get you. Hey, Bezina, if I speak English, you will cha no walking. I don't want to punish you, I want to punish you. If you see my baby, you go shut up. I'ma get too fine, I'll be makeup for me, baby, lie down, no. Finish work for me, oh, tomato, put that you back, baby.
GCK show. Passion bring you mine. Voting has officially been closed for today. DJ, put your man in your mind whilst our judges tabulate their results.
Mother dear Papi no be now. Mr. Mike told my Jamaica. My summer high from a diamond. My shop was some diamond. Skin boy, what do I drink? A higher no. I have this old. I hear the jam in jazz and a child in a padana in Tata. And whatever don't want to.
GCK show. Oh, Minto, GCK show. Voting has officially been closed. It's time for eviction. Or your vote in a performance, in a yakabom, in a other share. I want to obokofi, and I want to join in next week. I want to work in a hand, you know, but sometimes a vote, sometimes too, it is your performance. So, Pasha, it was Nana. Abenyim. Angel Baby. Step forward. Baby Gabo. Fosia the Poet, please join them. Enianuma yeshim waha. Baby Ayedi. Fosia the Poet. Please, you can go backstage. We'll see you next week. Baby Gabo, we'll see you next week. Klekeli Arts, please join them in front. Inshaba, please join them. Inshaba, how Klekeli Arts? Passion on that way. I want you now. Inshaba, please, we'll see you next week.
Beats in the booth, say band on the door. West in the bush, trying to get in the field.
Civil Arts, please join them in front. Klekeli Arts, give Civil Arts a big hug, a huge one. Klekeli Arts, we'll see you next week. Shining Star, please come forward. One bring him. One bring him. Beat Breakers, we'll see you next week. Oh, one month some more. Why are they? Baby Gabo, please step back. Oh, Angel Baby, sorry.
West in the bush.
GCK show. Wasi, you can go backstage. Angel Baby can also go backstage. Okay. And the eviction. No, I don't know poku bokofi. Into baby ayedi. Ya catching any judges.
GCK show. Yes, Yan Adum Acheze. Mayaze. But in every competition, we seek for growth. There we look for improvement, both creativity, artistically, and in your personal growth. Mayaze pa now performance also. Now vote to show the piano. What's a ya? I am a yaw. Abano on Tokra. You, the two of you are the least voters. Eh? 1 2 Abana Mamo Cra. Sivo. Abano 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Shining Star, right? Shining Star, right? Are you Shining Star? Yes. Abanamba. Abanamba. Na Martin there. Our daddy Paco no kufie. Now, 1 hour your creative arts, the way you two pair. Steve na Kekeli Arts. This is Steve Fima. Naturally, there is no competition. Waka Kekeli Arts for no pet. Osan the meaty. I am a yow now, so I will save Steve-O. Shining Star.
GCK show. Pacho is the show now, baby. You're born one next week. DJ.